Hello YouTube, and welcome to your second Java tutorial. And in this video we're going to go a little bit more in depth on the class we wrote in the last video and explain what the main method is, and then we're going to do the classic hello world first program. So let's jump into it and just open up your first class if you haven't already. Alright, so in this first class.java you have the class declaration up here. So we named it first class. And as I said in the last video, you want to always start your classes with a capital letter. So that is just for creating objects, and you will see how that is more useful whenever we get into the actual object-oriented programming. But it's always public, class, and then the class name. You won't normally have to worry about this. Eclipse always generates this for you. So outside of the class declaration, no actual code will run. So if I do what we're gonna learn today, this code won't run right here. This code won't execute, and as you can see right here, there is an error. So I'm going to delete that. So type all your code in here, and all of your executing code is going to be in a method, and this is a method. We can have another method down here, which I can just give an example, and this is a method. However, we don't understand that yet. We're going to stick with one method. So all programs have at least one method, and that method is the main method. This method is the one that is executed right when the program starts. So as soon as I click this run button up here, this is what the program looks for. It looks for the main method. So it's public static void main string bracket args, and then you're going to use your curly braces. So as we get into methods and return types, these will make more sense, but really you just need to memorize it. That's what all first time programmers do, and then normally whenever you switch to a new language, it'll just come naturally. So like I said, this is the main method, and you just need to make sure that you have the word main right here with a lowercase m. Alright, so now we're going to get into what we're going to learn today, which is how to print something out. So we're going to go system.out.println, and in here we're going to do double quotes and hello world. And this is the generic first program that everyone always writes, and when we click this run button right here, click OK, and we look in our console and it says hello world. So just to give you a brief overview of and summary of what we did, we learned what the main method was, which is public static void main string bracket args, curly braces. System.out.println is how you output code or strings and text into here. Now it doesn't always need to be text. You can just do a number 1 and it'll just print out 1. So as long as you have these double quotes, it'll print whatever the heck you want in here. So click run, click OK, and it will always print out whatever is in here. We're going to get into more advanced printing in future episodes, but I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, leave a like, go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave those in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one.